G'day guys. Now you might be watching this video because you have some ProRack roof racks and you've lost your keys and you need to remove your roof racks or install some roof racks and you don't have keys. Perhaps I can offer some insight with this video today. This is intended for anyone that's lost their keys or perhaps are looking to go and buy a second-hand set of roof racks and the owner doesn't have the keys. And actually guys, that was the case for me. I found these roof racks on a car that someone was wrecking and parting out, and that owner didn't have the keys. And I had a bit of a look and saw that for the Ford Falcon here, it was actually pretty easy to remove these roof racks without the keys. Now, obviously, please don't go stealing people's roof racks. That's not the right thing to do. So I just intend for this video to help anyone that's legitimately looking to remove a set of roof racks. I've removed the upper and the lower door seals here just to show this clamp mount system. And basically that's how it's held onto the car. And there's one Allen key, which I'll show in just a moment, that's actually holding this clamping system to the roof. Now, I do have a set of keys. I just like to remove this outer cover just to show you all that Allen key a little easier. And that Allen key is located right at the bottom here. And of course you'll need a 4mm Allen key in this case, and that'll be able to loosen that bolt, which then in turn loosens the clamp mounting, and I'll show that a little closer now. Just going to reinstall the side cap as if we don't have the set of keys. I recommend that you can actually pop the sides of the cap out slightly, and that'll give you a little more access to the actual Allen key nut underneath this cap. Now from this lower angle guys, I'd just like to show you all so you can see the Allen key in question with better vision. So again, with that cap slightly popped out, we're able to very easily access that Allen key that's hidden under the cap. So again, grab your 4mm Allen and you can loosen this bolt. Now from scratch, we can remove these two door seals. Then grab our 4mm Allen key, place it inside the bolt, loosen the bolt enough so that we can unlatch and unhook the roof rack fitting end onto the roof clamp here. And I'm just using some long nose pliers to lift away laterally this door clamp. So as we can see, it kind of just hooks onto the actual frame like this and presses down and clamps down back towards the car laterally. And with that frame clamp pressed down, our roof rack fitting end just hooks over, and then we can tighten up our Allen key bolt. Now guys, once you do this on both ends of the car, you'll be able to remove the roof rack from the roof, because there's one clamp on the left and one clamp on the right. So once you unhook from these clamps on both ends, you'll be able to remove the roof racks. And that's it guys, very simple process. Please watch this video with discretion, don't go stealing people's roof racks. Now guys, don't forget to flick something for luck. So today let's go flick this roof rack. Awesome. Cheers guys, and catch you all in the next video.